Okay, now that you've done a visualization and a sketch, and you know what a setting is about, it is time to actually write about the setting. You will need your journal or a piece of paper, or maybe more than that, and a pencil. I want you to make a list of words describing the setting that your character is going to be in. When is it happening? Is it day or night? What's the weather like? What season is it in? Where is it taking place? After getting that all together, it is time for you to start writing about your setting. So I got started on the setting. It was a very warm day in the middle of summer. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. Julia was too hot to run around playing with her friends, so she decided to relax. She could hardly wait to start reading the next chapter in the book she was reading, so she grabbed it and settled into her favorite reading spot, the quiet, shady hammock in her backyard. Well, boys and girls, it is your turn to start writing about your setting. Distance learners, when you are finished writing about your setting, please send it in Seesaw to your teacher. And hybrid learners, bring it to school the next time you're at school, or show it to your teacher if you're in class. Have fun writing!